Hello and welcome back to another historical video of how low can Farmmi go with still good news surrounding it. Friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Wow, what a terrible day in the market. If you even peeked in on the market today, you realize it was terrible and you're wondering how much worse can it get. Well, I don't know, it could get worse to be honest at this point. So talking about Farmmi here, where do we sit now? Just to throw some tips your way right now with what's going on. We have right around to April 13th. It has to hit 10 consecutive days at $1 while trading. Can this happen? Absolutely can happen. Does it look like it's going to happen? I don't know. It's not looking so good. Let's talk about two things here to prepare ourselves with whatever's going to happen. And I think a lot of us at this point are just like, you know, what is left with Farmmi here? I know a lot of people are saying this is a scam. I've heard all kinds of things. And to be honest, there's a lot of things that I might agree with at this point. We are seeing severe lows in Farmmi. And we're probably going to continue if the market continues to do what it does. Right now, the market is taking in the war. It's taking in talks of a nuclear holocaust, inflation, gas, everything. I mean, everything is being thrown at the market, and every penny stock, especially Chinese stocks right now, are not doing hot. And Farmmi is no exception to that situation right now, especially. So, a bad situation got bad, and then it got worse, and then it got worser, and now it's just plain old bad. But today, Farmmi did win a repeat customer order for exporting to Vancouver. Well, that's great, but still no movement in the stock as it fell with the whole market today and just bled with it. So two things we're hoping for right now with Farmmi, obviously. First things first, we're hoping that Farmmi does meet compliance. We are hoping pretty much right now, 30 days until this April mark here, that we see Farmmi hit $1 compliance. Now, obviously, it's going to take some kind of radical news that we have not had and we have not seen yet with Farmmi. They've got to do more than just this repeat order stuff. They need some mega massive deal. Something is going to happen. And with that too, there could still be a organic rally. Who knows? But to flip the other side of the sword here, friends, I've got to be completely honest. When I first put money into Farmmi, I was very bullish on Farmmi because of what Farmmi was doing. They were bringing in hot numbers. They were bringing in a lot of orders, a lot of new orders, a lot of talks about expansion that they're still doing. The problem that we're seeing right now is that we've never seen these problems before. We have not seen the stock market face famine like it is right now. With all these different talks of war, inflation, still talking about COVID, and now with raging gas prices, everything is taking a hit right now on the market. So I've got to be honest with you. I don't know if it's going to make it out of this. I really don't. When I look closely on this candlestick chart, it's bad. That's real bad. We're seeing buy-ins, but we're seeing heavier sellouts. When it comes to the news and the money on hand with Farmmi, from what we've been told by the company, things are looking great. Things are excellent. But as you know, there's a lot of negative news right now with Russia and China. And even today there was articles coming out with China being threatened by the United States to not help Russia, which kind of pushed down all Chinese stocks, including Farmmi, as which we're seeing an even lower point than we have. This is a 50-50 split down the middle right now with where Farmmi could go. Is this fair? Absolutely not. It's not fair. But like I said, we're in a situation that we've never really seen before in our day and time. And right now, a lot of investors are scared to put money in a Chinese stock. And they should be. So the main thing I can say right now, it's going to take a rally. It's going to take a big rally to push Farmmi up. Is that possible? Of course it's possible. We've seen that before in the market. Is it likely? I don't know. It's a flip of a coin. It's going to take a lot of different investors with a lot of different money pushing Farmmi up. But friends, when it comes down to the end of it, I'm still very bullish on Farmmi. It's hard for me to really say right now with these numbers that we're seeing that this is an organic movement. It's not. This movement is strictly because of what is going on in the whole world right now. So obviously, if Russia was to stop invading Ukraine tomorrow, America and China were on better terms, yeah, we could definitely see better movement in Farmmi. Absolutely, the stock market. But that does not look like it's coming, and it looks like it's going to be the complete opposite of what we're seeing here. So friends, this is not the last video we're making about Farmmi. I will still be talking about Farmmi, but with today hitting these lows that we have hit, I have definitely seen stocks come back from such a low point. I've seen stocks go to 5 to 8 cents and shoot up to $1 within 2 weeks, especially during the pandemic. I mean, we saw that time and time again. Today was kind of a pandemic day. It was a terrible day in the market. So friends, with all that said, I really do mean it. I really do. I wish everyone the best of luck with the stock market in general and just everyone's safety. I don't know where anything's going right now with the market and this whole freaking thing blowing up overseas. It's just a very unique time to be alive and watch what's going on. And still, somewhat selfishly, we're trying to make a buck here in the stock market. But, you know, it's investing, and we still got to put bread on the table. But friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in that future of yours. Friends, I will talk to you very soon. Have a great night, great day, wherever you're at. Bye, friends.